Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning your hands and checking the retainer in a mirror. This reduces contamination and helps you see tight spots. Once done, soften the retainer for 1-2 minutes in warm water to make the material slightly more pliable so it releases easier. Place both thumbs lightly at the back molar areas and apply steady downward and back pressure, not a twist, so the retainer disengages from the molars first. This initial lift protects teeth and minimizes sudden snapping. After the first lift, you continue by rocking the retainer alternately left then right, applying gentle even pressure for 1 to 2 seconds per side so the edges unseat gradually. Make sure you concentrate force at the posterior contacts instead of yanking the front to avoid bending or cracking. If an edge catches under a bracket or wire, thread dental floss or a floss threader under that section and pull while rocking. This gives a controlled pathway for release and reduces pressure on individual teeth. Once the retainer comes free, check your gums and teeth for irritation and inspect the appliance for cracks or warped areas. This clarifies whether you need professional help. Clean the retainer right away using a soft brush and mild soap, rinse, and place it in a ventilated case. This prevents bacterial growth and keeps shape. If removal was painful or it remains tight, soak it in warm salt water for 10 to 15 minutes and contact your dentist rather than forcing it, which could damage teeth or wire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.